Today, I will discuss how much a divorce lawyer charges. Divorce lawyers charge hourly rates of between 800 Rand and 5,000 Rand per hour. Unopposed divorces are often charged at fixed prices, which varies between 10 and 20,000 Rands. Divorce lawyers are not allowed to work on divorce matters on a contingency fee basis. There is no one conclusive answer as to how much a divorce lawyer will charge for services rendered in a divorce matter. It is very much on a case-by-case basis and dependent on whether you go for a fixed fee or a by-the-hour divorce attorney. Usually, you'll be charged by the hour for an opposed or contested divorce, while uncontested divorces have fixed rates. Divorce attorneys' hourly rates can differ significantly and may depend on a variety of aspects such as the attorney's seniority and experience in related matters, the number of issues that must be resolved in and out of court, the duration of the divorce, and where your attorney is based. Also, whether your spouse is combative or not. Understand how your attorney will bill you. The legal fees in a divorce matter can be very high, and it is essential that you understand how your attorney will bill you. It is best to get a mandate and fee agreement signed between you and your attorney, as this will clarify both of your respective rights and obligations. If your attorney bills you at an hourly rate, make sure that you understand how and how often they will bill you. It is challenging for a litigation attorney to do an estimation of how much a divorce will cost you, if not impossible. But you can ask them how much their day fee will be or the cost for a specific application. It is also essential to not only look at the hourly rates when you decide which attorney to use. An experienced attorney can generally work at a much faster pace than a newly qualified attorney who is still learning the ropes. We are sometimes asked if divorce attorneys work on a contingency fee basis. Attorneys are not allowed to work on a contingency fee basis when dealing with divorce matters in South Africa. They are, however, allowed to work on a deferred payment plan. Other expenses and costs during divorce. You can expect an increase in your living cost when you go through a divorce, and you need to plan for this. Prepare a budget for your income and your expenses. You must also discuss the possible use of experts with your divorce attorney. You can do the following to assist your attorney and thereby reduce your legal cost. Communicate appropriately with your attorney. Prepare the information or documents in a proper format. Do not phone your divorce attorney 10 times a day unless it is in an emergency. Instead, prepare a list of your questions and email the attorney or phone them once and have your questions ready so that they can respond to your questions in one telephonic consult. The majority of attorneys will ask you to pay money into their trust accounts before they will start working on your matter. Once they have done work on your matter, they are entitled to bill and deduct money off your trust funds. In the event that a client fails to pay a divorce attorney, they may retain the files of that client until they are paid in full.